Now I am here on the Quizlet website. So you can see you've got two options up here on the top. You've got Create, where you can create your own lessons, putting in your own questions, or you could search. Today I'm going to search for a lesson for fraction of a whole number. So it gives me lots of different lessons created by other teachers. And you can see the number of questions, 29 terms, that's actually the number of questions. And you can see examples of the questions. So I'll pick one here. It's just got 8 questions. I'm going to pick this one here. So there is different study sets. And if you click on flashcards, for example, the first one, you've got the question there and you just tap the card to get your answer and then move on to the next question. So there's other ones, there's learn and there's write. Write is where you write in your answer. So you just put in the answer and you check your answer, correct. And then write or spell is also a great one for if you're learning vocabulary. Test is a nice one because you get a nice variety of questions. You get written questions where you type in the answer, matching questions, multiple choice, and true or false questions. And then you would check your answers. So that's test. Then you have some fun games here, match and gravity. So match is a little bit more fun. You start the game. What you do is you drag the question over to the answer. Now, if you don't know the answer and you put in the wrong answer, it'll separate. So you know you're wrong. And that's match. You also have live. Now, this is a nice fun game for class. And what you do is you create a game. We're looking at the free version. So this is for class time. And you would ask your learners to log into this website, give them this code, which will be up on your whiteboard. You need 4 students, and then you can start your game.